Hi, Lizbeth. This is Stacy Napper, your instructor, and I am doing this video feedback on your first employee handbook assignment. First of all, love the graphic. Very nice. It's a great way to start out. You do a great job of covering the required 6 items, and there are I'm not seeing issues with speller and grammar. I think that on the easy to read and formatting criteria, I think there's a little bit of room for improvement. So from a formatting perspective, this team over here should not be hanging out by itself. It would look better if it was left justified over here. I would put more white space between each of these sections, but I have to tell you that I love the difference in font. It's not distracting at all, and I think it adds to the fun atmosphere that you're trying to establish. Also, in regards to formatting, I would start this acknowledgement section as its own page so that it's easier for people to turn back in. Regarding content, as I'm looking at your orientation here, 2 weeks, that's a little harsh as far as how long people have before they get canned if they don't work out. But that's your call. I'm not going to take off points for that. But think about if you were the employee, how would you feel if this is your first introduction? You may not want to put a time frame. Maybe everybody's different. You might just want to say a introductory period. You know, a lot of places it's a lot longer than 2 weeks. So just food for thought. I do think that the wording could be a little bit better. It's not wrong, but it's a little vague. So when you say here, Kids Cuts has been in business since 2016 and continues to grow daily, that's a little vague. I would maybe put in some kind of rate, and has been growing at a 20% per year rate since we opened, since we began, since our business started, something along those lines. And like on the second line, at Kids Cuts, our mission is to have children's haircuts done as fun as possible. Done, you can pick a better word other than done. Our mission is to have children have a great time while having their haircut, something like that, or have fun and get their haircut. But done is a little not so great. Also, you have an extra space right here before your first K. See if that's true. All in all, you did a great job. I'm very pleased with your work. And if you have any questions or you want to discuss anything with me, please shoot me an email. Take care.